Hi, you might be wondering how did I took off these jump bullets from the Elite 2.0 Eco CS-10 that my son used to play. And yes, it was a little bit tedious, but it's easy as long as you have tools to use. So what we need is the screwdriver, the tweezers, scissors, and maybe some pullers. So whatever you have available in your house. The most important thing is the scissors and the screwdriver, and a puller, of course. So from here, there's a very small screw at the slider that we need to unscrew. You need the screwdrivers, of course, the Philip or the plus Phillips screwdriver, then unscrew from here. All right, almost out. It's out. So make sure you secure the screw. Okay, then you need the flat or the standard or any flat edge tool that you can use to split up this slider. And slowly and carefully try to open it from here, from this side. Okay. And you might need something. Here I'm using the head of the tweezer, and I need another tweezer, the head of it. And I will slowly split it up from here, slowly. Carefully not to damage the slider or else it will be useless. But I don't think so. This Nerf brand is a good brand we're in. It's not easily damaged. It has a sturdy plastic. Well, from here I took out the jump bullet from here. Okay, with you cannot pull it off at once, so you need the scissors. So it was cut. I cut it off from the inside. Okay, that's why you need the scissors, and you will pull it slowly with using your tweezer or your puller. Okay, so these were the stuffs that I took off, a part of the bullet. It took me around 30 minutes to remove that. Because you cannot move the slider, it was stuck. It was jammed. So that's it. It's done. And let's put back the slider, carefully insert it. There's a guide in here. Okay. Koffer is taking the video. He's the video man here. And of course, it works fine. Yay, it works fine. It's time to put back the screw. Screw from here. Make sure you insert it properly, screw it properly. Oops, I think it's not properly done. So I need to unscrew back and screw it back again to make sure it is tight and yes, I don't see any gap here, so I believe it's already okay. Well done. Let's play. Well done. Let's play.
Yes, sir.
So be careful next time, Coffer, okay?
Alright. Okay. Mom. I understand.
Okay, that's all.